In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Microsoft account. First, open the Microsoft account profile page. You can do this by navigating to the official Microsoft website. Look for the section that directs you to your account profile. This is where all the important management of your account takes place. You will see various options related to your account settings. It is essential to ensure you are on the correct page to avoid any confusion later. This is your starting point for making any changes related to your account. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address and your password in the respective fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to verify your identity. Signing in is a crucial step as it grants you access to your account settings. Once you successfully log in, you will be taken to your account overview. Here you will find various options to manage your account. This step is vital because it ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Now click on the Your Info section. This option is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will direct you to a page that contains personal details associated with your account. It is where you can edit your profile information, including your name, contact details, and country or region. This area is essential as it holds the information that defines your account's geographical settings. Understanding this section helps you manage your account more effectively. From there, select Edit Profile Info. You will find this button on the Your Info page. Clicking it allows you to modify the details that are currently saved in your profile. This is where you can make significant changes, including updating your country or region. It is crucial to proceed carefully here, as changes to your account information can affect your services and subscriptions. This step is important because it sets the stage for the changes you want to make. Under Country/Region, choose your new country. A drop-down menu will appear, listing all available countries. Take a moment to scroll through and select the correct one that reflects your current location. This choice is important because it affects your access to apps, games, and subscriptions available in that region. Selecting the right country ensures that you will enjoy the services tailored for that location. Making an informed choice here saves you potential issues later. After selecting your new country, click Save. This action confirms the changes you have made to your profile. Once you click Save, the system will process your request. You should see a confirmation message indicating your changes have been successfully saved. This step is crucial because it finalizes your adjustments, ensuring that your account reflects your new country or region. Keep in mind that Microsoft recommends changing your country only if you have moved permanently or for a long period. This is important because changing your country frequently can cause complications with your account. Some apps, games, subscriptions, and account balances may not transfer to the new region. It is wise to familiarize yourself with these potential impacts before making changes. Additionally, any money already in your Microsoft account balance cannot be moved to another country. Therefore, it is advisable to spend that balance before changing regions. This precaution helps to prevent any loss of funds you might have accumulated in your account. If you want to add a payment method from a different country, remember to change your account's country first and then add the new card. This sequence is important to ensure that the payment method is accepted and functions correctly in the new region. Lastly, be aware that you may be unable to change regions if you have changed it within the last 3 months. Other restrictions may apply if you have an active subscription with billing issues or if your account is restricted. Staying informed about these conditions helps you navigate your account settings more smoothly and prevents unnecessary frustration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to change your country in your Microsoft account.